Hi there, you guys, Virgo. Welcome to your general forecast. Cross-watcher energies are interchangeable, but only take those portions that are resonating with you. And remember to check out your moon and rising and Venus sign videos for a more complete picture. My readings, they do meld together. I'd like to thank you guys, Virgo, for supporting my channel. The likes and the subscribes and the shares, they really help me out a lot. Thank you. Today you're going to get 5 cards from the Rider-Waite deck. You're going to get 1 oracle card from the Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reed. And now here's your first card. It's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. Virgo, you've got the Page of Swords, air energy, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. You could have air in your chart, or someone you're dealing with has air in their chart. This is someone that is being vigilant. It can also be a communication or a message or news, someone investigating. The Page of Swords brings in the winds of change, and this could be a fast message. Could be alerting you to the truth. This page gathers information, and they have a thirst for knowledge and a curious mind, and they have new ideas. They're clever and quick-witted. This could be someone behaving in a risky manner. It also could be news of the truth or difficulty. There could be someone that is spying. Anxiety may be involved, or nervousness. Someone could be making excuses and changing plans, because that's the norm for the Page of Swords. Or someone could be manipulating communication, twisting their tail. This could be a message that provides a lesson. It's sharing ideas and opinions, lots of them, and it brings forward movement. This is a person with a very extremely strong will, and they can be cold and calculating. This is the lurker of the deck. This can be a spy. Could be someone spreading gossip or rumors or being less than honest. Yet they're full of determination and defiance. This page asks questions, and skepticism permeates that inquisitiveness. And they conduct research and they look for proof. Your second card, and this is the energy that's crossing over your path. These are your subconscious influences, Virgo. Number 17 of the Major Arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Star. This could be an Aquarius. Aquarius could be in your chart, or you're dealing with an Aquarius. The 8-pointed star represents Venus, and that reinforces love and peace and hope. And it's the card of number 17, which breaks down to an 8, which gives us strength. This is insight and inspiration. It's wishes coming true. So take heart, because the star lights your way. There's hope and renewal and faith renewed. It's great love and great hope. It's revelation and peace. And there's major growth and development. The star carries bright promises and blessings. And these blessings are going to be flowing freely like water. What are you wishing for? And whatever it is, it's in alignment with the highest good for all, and will be easy to manifest. In this position, as a restriction, a challenge, some tension, this can be wishful thinking. Or this could be someone who is private, that is seeking their own path. Maybe they feel alone and resentful because of obligations. It can also represent having gone through a disappointment, so you need to re-energize yourself. So you need silence and solitude, so you can repair and not worry about what the outside world thinks. The Page of Swords with the Star card is what you are curious about, seems out of reach, or it could also be a wish come true. There's faith in an idea, and it's hope to have an initial communication. Your third card. This is how it affects you. These are the external influences that you're consciously aware of, Virgo. Number 2 of Wands, fire energy. This is Mars in Aries. This is a card of I want, and you're aspiring to something. This is aspiration. Mars gives us that fighting spirit. And Mars in Aries tells us to be bold, but not ruthless in our actions. You started something and now you're awaiting results. It may have to do with business success and your future possibilities. There's creative tension and longing. This is a new outlook. And there may be opposing forces, stay or go, taking place within someone. It can also represent power over others and making sure to use that power wisely. This is someone that's deciding their next moves, plans and backup plans, and there is still potential yet unfulfilled. There's high ideals and aims, discovery, making decisions, and leaving your comfort zone. It's exploring new life experiences, planning. It can be a desire for travel, and there is change in the air and a feeling of restlessness. This is being an original and knowing what you want, and it's ignoring distractions to get ahead. You could be deciding a course of action, creating something new and exciting, forging alliances, or doing things your own way. So be strong-minded and push forward, and you can have success using strength and vision. It's using initiative, and these are impulses that complement each other or sometimes work against each other. So wait for your decision to mature and then act. The Page of Swords or the Two of Wands is conveying a message that you want and need a change so you can use your talents. You could be investigating your options. Your 4th card, it's the card of the future, the outcome, the results, and the advice. Virgo, you've got card number 7, the Chariot. This could be a Cancer. Cancer could be in your chart or someone else's that you're dealing with. Now, this has to do with, see those 2 sphinxes? Those represent distractions or excuses, but you do have control over them. And you're not using any reins, so you're using your willpower. This is triumph and success and control over the forces of nature, as well as triumph over ill health, or money difficulties, or enemies of any sort, including your own lower animal passions. This is a clear sense of purpose. It can also indicate travel and in comfort. It's mental, and this is mental and physical power. And that leads us to fulfillment. And it's putting commitment to the test. It can be a struggle or a conflict. This represents conquest of mind over emotions. And it can also represent your car or transportation. This is someone that has a confident personality. And this is overcoming obstacles and also swift action in reaching your goals. It's a positive and quick result on the way. So go with the flow and use firm resolve and stay on the course you've set yourself. This is an inner duality that needs to be conquered. The Page of Swords or the Chariot card, it could be pushing forward too quickly, and then that would cause problems. It's being direct with words and staying in control. Here's your 5th card. It's the bottom of the deck card. The underlying issue. This is what's unseen, Virgo. Number 14 of the Major Arcana in the Rider-Waite deck. Temperance. This could be a Sagittarius. Sagittarius could be in your chart or someone else's that you're dealing with. This card is ruled by Jupiter, and that is the angel Michael. That is the angel of sun and fire. This represents blending, adjustment, patience, and compromise. It's having inner calm and tranquility. It's adapting and tempering and using self-control and working in harmony with others. It's taking the middle path and compromising instead of battle and never going to one extreme or the other. It's having control over your own life and what you have imagined will come to pass. This is alchemy, sharing control, seeing both sides. Successful combinations will be achieved. This is the vision of the new life that comes after death, and the ability to combine different elements in life, such as work and pleasure, love and sex, feelings and action, openness and confidence, and it indicates victory over doubts and rigidities, yet advises a cautious attitude and be moderate and take the middle way. And you're adapting to situations with a clear mind and a calm heart. And remember, there is nothing in the cosmos but vibration, and all forms of vibration can be modified and managed by the adept. The Page of Swords with the Temperance card is a message that leads to compromise. It's a communication of truth and patience. The Star card with the Two of Wands is being very optimistic about the future. And whatever you do, your prospects are promising and you will excel. The Star card with the Chariot card is idealism that manifests to great success and victory. It's an intense spiritual effort and success. It's choices to make to get to your dreams. The Star with the Temperance card is a feeling of detachment as you wait patiently and watch as life goes on. It's inner harmony, angels, musical fairies around you. The Two of Wands with the Chariot card represents a dilemma rather than a choice. It's picking something so you can keep on working, and it's aggressively committing to a decision. The Two of Wands with the Temperance card is cooperation with a successful idea or a business venture. Chariot with the Temperance card is moving or traveling. It could be a distance. It's control and patience. It could also be for someone re-entering society and wanting to nurture. Here's your Oracle card from The Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reed. Card number 32, Here and Now, Virgo. Card number 32, Here and Now. And there's a little sign on there that says past to the left and future to the right. Being fully present in the moment and living one day at a time. Everything happens in the now, in the present. Only this moment counts. You have what it takes to handle anything today if you let go of the need to look to the future or reflect on the past. Be present and notice what is going on right now. This very moment has the potential for you to create miracles in your life. Thanks, you guys, Virgo. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment or a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you guys out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.